Okay, on my way out to the farm right now. Gonna double check all the fluids in the dozer and get it parked up by the road, because first thing in the morning there's a lowboy coming with my new project on it. And she doesn't run quite at the moment, but I'm gonna use the dozer, get it off the trailer, and drug down here into the woods where I keep some of this stuff. And we're going to work on getting it mechanically running here in the near future, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to restore it right away, but that is the ultimate goal, was to be able to restore this truck. And so we'll try and get it mechanically functioning first, and that way I can move it around a lot easier. And I'm going to try and get it covered up here under roof as quick as possible. Hopefully by this summer it'll be stored indoors. But I bought it kind of quick off a good old boy over there in Maryland. It came up for sale, and I've been looking out for one of these trucks for about 5 years now, and this is the first one of this model I've seen pop up. So this is the one I was always after. So the time to buy is when you see it, I guess. So me and him worked out a good deal, and I knew a guy that has a trucking outfit, and he actually had somebody close to that guy. So he swung down there to Maryland and loaded it up and brought it home here, and I actually went from finding it on Facebook to in my possession here within 36 hours. So that's pretty good for something like this. We think, Roscoe? We think, bud? He's a good boy. Well, there she is. That's my newest purchase. It's a 1957 Autocar DC 103. I've always loved these old auto cars. I don't know, they're just some tough looking trucks, and they're built heavy. And this old girl, she needs some love, but one of these days we'll get her back on the road, and eventually I'd like to get a period correct low boy to put behind it, and fix up an old International little TD dozer, or maybe like a little D4 cat dozer, put it on there and drag the whole thing to car shows, because you know, you just don't see stuff like this at car shows. It's one of my retiree goals. I'm not moving to Florida. I'm going to be a snowbird. I'm going to be driving a 1957 Autocar, hopefully. It just came out of Easton, Maryland. There's no doorstop on that. But the cab actually isn't as bad as you'd think for a truck of the age that's been sitting for a long time. The seats are in remarkably good shape. It's got a little ass protection there. That can go. But the seats are pretty nice, really. I don't know if they've been reupholstered or if that's original. Got a lot to learn about these old girls. But we'll figure it all out. Some sort of sealed serial tag I can't make out yet. Some of the gauges have had the printing fall off of them. The sun's kind of screwing up the camera right now, but we'll see. The odometer reads 117,000 miles. I don't know if that's all true or not. We'll see. It's got the cab heater in it, which I think was optional in the day. I could be wrong. Steering wheel, like most old steering wheels, got all this cracking and stuff going on it. It's got a 5 and 3 transmission, so you got 2 sticks over here. Here's your transmission breakdown. But you can't see it. There you go. Sunlight's killing me here for focus. You got your main gearbox as a, I guess that's overdrive way over here. That's different. Got overdrive, first, second, neutral, third, fourth, reverse, and then your auxiliary tranny. Low, high drive. Huh. A little new to me. Air horn. Yeah, she's a beauty. Roscoe approves. The guy I bought it from said he had it on the road in 04, just moving some stuff for himself. He's got a business. He was moving locations, I guess, and used it for that. So that's the last time this thing ran, was 04. But he said it should fire right up. The rear end's stuck right now. That's why I had to lift the ass end of the dozer and pull it down here. He says just the brake shoes are hung up, so we'll see. Seemed like a trustworthy fellow. Hopefully that's all it is. The cab, you know, like most things from 57, she's got some rot on her. But everything that's rotted is pretty straight, so should be repairable. This door's a little rougher than the other side. Floor, same condition, pretty rough. post right here will need patched up. Some battery leads under the seat. That's cool. About 3/4 of an inch of rust on the floor pan. We'll get all that out of there. I think that's a drive line brake. I think that might be like park brake back in the day. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't know everything there is to know about these things by any means. Maryland, 1980. 24-inch rubber that's seen better days. Let me see if I can get this hood open. We'll check it out. It's got a 180 Cummins in it. Maybe. There we go. Oh yeah. The hinge is not hinging so much. She's a big old girl. I know the sun's killing my shot here, but there she be. Big old motor. Oh, it's got oil. Right on the money, too. See if I can't get the other side open. It's not heavy, it's just the hinge doesn't want to hinge. Stay. Whew. Nice. Well, one of these days here soon, I'm gonna try and hook some batteries to it and see if I can't get it to fire up. Guy said it should, so we'll see. Anyway, that's about it for now, though. Gotta fix up all this rough ground here that we tore up getting the truck in here, so slick all that off and head back to the house right now.